Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
Alright, just got this guy for car camping and just went through all the tires. I was running off of AC, seemed to work well. I think that the gauge is useless, probably. It reads low, but that's not a problem. I will hook it into the car. If it doesn't work, I'll let you know. The thread valve is actually awesome. I have an adapter on this for the Presta valves on the bikes. It's great. I've had lots of pumps, super happy. And if it goes to heck, I'll let you know.
Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.